If you're trying to start affiliate marketing but you don't have money for ads, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 simple steps beginners can use to start affiliate marketing in 2026 without spending a single dollar on paid ads. And the best part? This method focuses on free traffic, simple content, and beginner-friendly tools so anyone can start today. Let's jump right in. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to promote everything to everyone. Instead, pick one niche. Some of the best affiliate niches include make money online, health and fitness, personal finance, tech and software, relationships. Why? Because these niches have huge demand and thousands of affiliate products. When you focus on one niche, you build authority and trust, and that's what leads to commissions. Once you have your niche, the next step is finding affiliate products. Some beginner-friendly affiliate platforms include Amazon Associates, Impact, CJ Affiliate, ShareASale, Digistore. 24. These platforms allow you to promote products and earn commissions when someone buys through your link. You don't need to create a product, you simply recommend products and earn a commission. Now we need traffic. Without traffic, there are no clicks and no commissions. The best free platforms today are YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, blogging. But if you're just starting, I highly recommend YouTube. Why? Because YouTube videos can bring traffic for years, not just a few hours. Affiliate marketing is not about selling, it's about helping people solve problems. Some of the best affiliate content includes product reviews, comparisons, tutorials, best tools lists, case studies, examples, best beginner affiliate marketing tools. Shopify versus Etsy. How to start dropshipping step by step. When people search for these topics, they're already looking for solutions. That's where your affiliate links come in. Successful affiliate marketers create 3 types of content. Top-of-funnel educational videos that attract viewers. Middle-of-funnel videos that compare solutions. Bottom-of-funnel product reviews that convert viewers into buyers. For example, top, how to start affiliate marketing. Middle, best affiliate platforms for beginners. Bottom, full review of product. This simple system turns your content into a 24/7 sales machine. Now we monetize. Place your affiliate links in video descriptions, link in bio pages, blog posts. When viewers click your link and buy something, you earn a commission. Even better, some affiliate programs pay recurring commissions every month. This is where most people fail. They post a few videos, don't make money right away, then they quit. Affiliate marketing works when you stay consistent. If you post 2 to 3 videos per week, you can build a content library that generates traffic and commissions for years. Think of every video as a digital salesperson working for you 24/7. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest online businesses you can start today. You don't need inventory, you don't need customer support, and you don't even need your own product. You just need content, traffic, and the right affiliate links. If this helped, smash like and subscribe right now. Join our crew chasing financial freedom, new tactics every week. Hit the bell so you never miss the next win.